Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start the remaining portion of the taxonomic aids. In the previous video we have discussed about botanical garden, the first taxonomic aid, and today we are going to start with the second one, that is zoological park. Okay, so in the last video I have discussed important botanical gardens and why they are famous as well. So do watch the last video as well. So let's get started with the today's topic, that is zoological park. So what do you mean by zoological park? Actually, we all know by its general name, that is zoo. Okay, we all go to zoo in our just to entertain us, to get some knowledge as well. So okay, so how can we explain zoological parks? It is an enclosed place where wild animals are placed. They are kept in captivity. Okay, the authority try to give them as much as the natural habitat conditions to for their survival. Okay, so what is the advantages of botanical garden? So the advantage is, number one, scientific research. It gives us the scientific study actually. So it gives us the opportunity to study the behavior, the habitat they live in, the each and every small details for our study in the scientific way. Okay, so next one is to educate people. People get educated, small children get educated, they that how the animals looks like, and different animals looks like, and people get to know more and more about these animals by reading the board provided, and full of information. People get amazed to know the behavior of the animals, and the way they are, their scientific name, their common name. These are the things through which their people get educated through these about these animals. Okay, so, and more important, it provides protection of endangered animals. Okay, endangered animals are those are those are the edge of, or those are at the line of extinction. मतलब जो उनकी species है, they are not in huge number, remained in huge number due to some atmospheric region, environmental region, biotic or abiotic reasons. Nobody, it's not a single thing that is responsible. So these zoos provide protection for these endangered species, and obviously recreation, that is the entertainment part, for the entertainment purpose as well. Okay, so this is the purpose or the advantage of zoological park. Clear? Let's move to the next point, that is the third, museum. Okay, so what are museum? Museum is the place where we can see preserved animals, plants. Okay, so how they are preserved? How? You can ask how they are preserved. They are preserved in the form of dry specimens. Okay, in the form of dry specimens. Clear? So like if I take an example like insects are first dried and their wings are opened up and they are then pinned down. Okay, like if I make this a butterfly, okay, it's very difficult to draw it with this pen actually. Okay, so if this is the butterfly, we just dry it first, then its wings are being pinned down like this on a plate. Okay, clear? Second one is large animals. Large animals are actually stuffed. You know, the smooth tissues are being removed. Tissues are first removed and filled with dry grass. Clear? These are being stuffed in place of smooth tissues, and the upper skin is or outer layer is treated or layer is treated. This is how the animals and insects are preserved. And in there you can also see skeleton. Okay, and fossils as well. Fossils of those organisms which are dead, and the fossils can be found on on rocks area or on a stone where the species is just stuck and the impression is being formed on that on that surface. Okay, the study of fossils, what it is known as, it's known as paleontology. Okay, the study of fossils is known as paleontology. Clear? Let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one is herbarium. Herbarium. So what is herbarium? Herbarium is a collection of dried, pressed, maintained plants. Okay, so what actually was done? Which color should I? Okay, if I choose a plant, its first is dried, okay, and then pressed on a filter paper. Why? To remove extra moisture which will in future allows the growth or helps in the growth of fungi, allows or helps. Okay, Clear? So this is how the plant is being dried and pressed on filter paper. Okay, then the herbarium sheet is used to preserve the plant which is being this dried. Okay, so actual standard size of a herbarium sheet is 29 centimeter and 43 centimeter. Okay, 29 to 43 is this is the standard size. But in the North America, the standard size is 29 into 41.5 centimeter. This is in North America standard. Okay, standard size of the herbarium paper sheet. Okay, so let me explain it in a good way. So let me draw it. If this is the herbarium sheet, this is 49 sorry, if this is 43 centimeter and this is 29 centimeter, and this is the actual dried plant which is being fully intact, and we can see each and every leaf clearly. Okay, so if this is the plant, so now the description is being written on the right corner. Right corner is for description. Right corner, description. Okay, and what is the point being described here? The local and scientific name, location, location where from where it has been collected, then the date of collection, after that name of collector, who is the person who has collected it, name of the collector, then other additional information if any. Okay, like habitat from where it is being collected. Okay, this is about the herbarium sheet. Clear? Today we have discussed what? Zoological park, museum and herbariums. Now in the next video we are going to discuss about key, monograph, manual and flora. Okay, so till then take care and do subscribe, like, share, and if you have any doubt please drop it in the comment section, and